representation of negative numbers.
In general, for decimal numbers, we use plus symbol for positive numbers and minus symbol for negative numbers. Or for positive numbers, just we can write as 5, 6, no need to represent plus 5 plus 6. If we write it as 5 or 6 means it is positive numbers. Whereas in case of negative, we need to use minus symbol before it, minus 5, minus 6. This is in case of decimal numbers. In practice, computers understand binary language. So, in order to represent negative numbers, if 1 is used at the MSB, that is treated as negative numbers, and for positive numbers 0 is used. So how these negative numbers are represented in binary format, we will see. Negative or signed numbers represented in binary form, we will see now. So how a negative number is represented in binary form is, it is in 3 ways. That is 1's complement, 2's complement, and next one is signed magnitude or signed binary, we can say. 1's complement we have discussed in the earlier, changing 1 to zeros and 0 to 1. How a 5 is represented. 5 is represented in binary format with the power of 2 as 101. So 101 is the binary representation of the decimal number 5, and if 0 is there, this is the sign representation. So 0 is takes the positive sign, and 101, this is the number of the 5. So the 1's complement of 0101 is 1010. This is minus 5 representation. So 1 is the representation of the negative symbol, and 010 is the 5 in 1's complement form. Similarly, we will take the next example. So plus 11 is written in the binary form as 1011, 128, 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11, and positive is represented with this 0 symbol. So 0. So this is plus 11, and doing 1's complement to this binary number, so we get as 1 0 1 0 0. So this is the minus 11. So this first bit MSB is the the 1. So this represents the negative symbol, and rest remaining bits represent the 11. So this is the negative numbers representation in the 1's complement form. 2's complement. Negative numbers are represented in binary format using the 2's complement. So how a negative numbers are represented in 2's complement, we will see with an example. So we will take an example, plus 9 and minus 9. So 9 is represented in binary format as 1 0 0 1 1 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So plus is denoted as 0. So the MSB first, this represents the symbol of the magnitude, that is whether positive or negative. So, and remaining bits represents the value plus 9. So how minus 9 is represented in 2's complement form, we will see. So in 2's complement 01001, 2's complement is 1 1 1 0 1. So this first one represents the negative symbol, and the remaining bits represents the 9 value. So as I told you, 1 is used for negative symbol representation for the binary, and 0 is used for the positive symbol representation. So plus 9 is represented as 01001, and if you give the data as 10111, so this is considered as negative, and this is considered as 9. So this is 2's complement representation. This way a negative value is represented using 2's complement. We will take one more example. 7, how it is represented in negative form. using 2's complement. So 7 is nothing but 111. This is positive, so 0 is taken. So first this MSB is used for the sign representation, and this is the value 7. I am doing 2's complement of this 0 111 1 0 0 1. So this 1 is used for the negative representation, and 001 is the 7 value. So minus 7 is represented as 1001 in 2's complement form. Signed magnitude representation. In signed magnitude representation, positive symbol is represented with 0 and negative symbol is represented with 1. That is, if the MSB bit is 0 means it is a positive number, and if the MSB bit is 1 is it is a negative number. If we take single bit with 4-bit representation, 6 is nothing but 0 1 1 0, and if we take this plus as a bit, so this positive is represented with 0, so I am taking as 4 zeros. MSB is represented with 1 means it is negative number, so minus first bit I am writing as 1 and remaining 3 bits zeros, and 6 is 0 1 1 0, or I can write it as 0 1 1 0. So 110 is 6, and this is positive symbol, and 110 is 6, and if I write as 1, so this is the sign magnitude representation. Similarly, plus 7 also can be represented as 0 111. So this is the positive 7, and for negative 7 all are ones. This first MSB is the minus representation, and remaining 3 ones are the 7 representation. So in sign magnitude, first MSB represents the sign representation, and the remaining bits are represented as the magnitude.